Like this is like a regular avocado that you see in California, and then boom. Hello, we're in Florida. Mr. Cho recently got hired here. We'll be here temporarily. The average age here is about 69 years old, so everyone drives really slowly. It's very hot. It's like 92 degrees. And we're going to the beach. Check out how beautiful the beach is here compared to California. I found a tortoise. They're just walking around. Oh, I'm sorry. Scared it. There's also one walking over there. Tortoise. Oh my god, they're just walking. You see that? 포켓몬?
잘못 들어가면.
아 맞아. 띵. 띵. 어머나 여기 있다. 와 너무 신기하다. Hi. Oh, you're not scared. How are you used to people? It's so pretty. If you walk right in the middle, it'd be like a beautiful scene. Oh my god. Movie scene right here. Okay, is this better than Hawaii, or is Hawaii like just better?
Hawaii's better.
Hawaii's better. Yeah, can't impress him with the beaches. This is a sea turtle nest. Do not disturb.
Yeah, look at that 갈매기.
Oh, 갈매기. Just lighting. Oh, 갈매기 이상하게 생겼는데? It has a black head. Wow. This is so pretty. Hey, people are on jet skis here. There's a little harbor right there. The snook even.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's bumpy. Beware of alligator. Can you believe it? It's 6 and sunset's at 8:30. You can borrow a canoe like that or a kayak and then just go here and say hello to the alligators.
Where's the alligator?
I don't know. I don't see any alligators. What is that? There's 2 bugs going up a tree. 도둥거려? This is the market in Florida near our house.
Oh, their steak is pretty decent.
Some watermelons. And then this is southern. What are these? Florida mangoes. I've never seen this big avocado.
Oh, you know, like in Hawaii?
Yeah?
My aunt's friend used to have an avocado tree.
Yeah?
This is even bigger than that.
Oh my god.
The seed is not donggore.
Like this is like a regular avocado that you see in California, and then boom.
Oh yeah, I'm used to
Yeah, like this is like the normal avocado you see. Like compare the size like this.
What is it? Tropical avocado.
Yeah, like wow. Amazing.
이거 어제 그건데?
The only 신라면 in the entire store.
The only Korean ramen.
Yeah.
You'll see. Curry, they have curry. Okay, get the curry.
Oh, they have curry. Nice. This 2 for buy one get one free.
Which one are you getting?
Getting this one.
Get this
Original. Okay.
Oh.
Look, we bought them. Hello. I'll give you a quick tour of my apartment in Florida. So this is the corporate housing provided by Felix's company. As you can see, all the furniture here was already ready for us when we moved here. All the appliances, utensils, kind of like an Airbnb was already included here. All the utilities also paid for by Felix's company, so pretty good. Alright, this is the kitchen. It's my first time having stainless steel appliances. I'm so used to having those white, cheap stovetops and refrigerators from our student housing before. This is pretty good upgrade. And this is our living room, pretty standard I always sit there and watch TV while I eat. And we also have a backyard, but I don't want to go outside because there's so much bugs and it's hot. This is our bedroom. We have a cabinet, a little mirror, a mini smart TV here. And this is our closet. The view is a lot of grass and trees. Very green here in general. Favorite part? 2 sinks, so we don't need to always wait for each other and get ready to sleep at the same time. That's the bathtub, pretty big. This place has really high ceilings, so I think that's good. Okay, bye! This is a house from the outside. It's like a beach vibes, blue. Since we live really close to the beach. You come here. Wildlife area? What are these frogs?
Frogs, snakes, I don't know. Pythons.
We got the plates here. Dolphin. Orange. The sunset's at like 8:30. So pretty. We're at the swimming pool at night. I like that the best. And then this mini waterfall. Oh, he's going. Yeah, I see the green light. It's a toad. I wonder if my camera can get that. It's kind of dark. It's a toad in the house. But it's so small that I can't even tell what it is. It's very cute.
걔는 귀엽게 생겼네.
Yeah.
저건
눈곱이. 오! 살짝. 제우스?
우와, 이게 잘 찍힌다.
아니 근데 보통 번개라고 하면 그 줄 같은 게 보이지 않나?
I think it's too cloudy.
It's pretty fun. I signed up for it. I did the twice a week classes at Body Bar. I'm in a different city called Austria, and there's a lot more younger people here, so I think it was a better fit for me compared to when I took a class in Venice. Everyone was over 50, so yeah, I don't know. I didn't really fit in. This place was good. It was like music, AC was blasting.